somebody from here. Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Could you please get up?
My name is Monica. I'm from Hindustan Times. Nice to meet you all. The trailer looks great. My question is to Tinduma and Monica. Interestingly, Ika looks amazing already. I want to know that why do you think that this was the courtroom drama that you wanted to do, and what was it like facing off Sunny Deol? Because obviously आपको 25 साल में लग गया, आपने starting में कहा, and also he is a fierce man on screen. So what was that something that was very interesting about him that you loved? And Monica, why did you think that Ika was something that needed to be on Netflix, on streaming? Because this also feels like something that could be seen on big screen as well. Thank you.
I think, there is this polarization or hierarchy that is seen. Oh, this film looks too good, so it should be a theatrical. Or this film looks too intense and, inward, so it should be on streaming. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I think good films are good films. And streaming per, the kind of audience that you have now on streaming, it's the largest set of audience, whether in our country or whether across 192 countries and counting. There is an opportunity for our talent, our storytellers, our actors, artists, music directors, everybody to actually be able to showcase their talent. Streaming is also, I feel it gives an opportunity to a range of artists to come and share their talent with their audiences, their fans. This was a story which is very immersive, it's very intense, it hits all the right notes of emotion, justice, and we were very excited to make it as our biggest Netflix original film. And I think just the size and scale of audience available on streaming today, I think this film deserves it.
Hello. Hi.
Just a second, ma'am. Tinduma, you want to take that question?
Yes, thank you for asking. I'd never played a lawyer before. As an actor, one is hungry to do things that one hasn't done before, because you tend to get cast for the last thing you did, because people don't want to take a chance. If she did that well, let's just milk that cow until the cow has nothing more to give. And I didn't want to get bored doing something I love so much. So that was the reason, one big reason for saying yes. The second reason for saying yes was, at my age, I want to like the people I work with. And because if I don't like them, I can stay at home, I have a beautiful home, and I have a beautiful family. And I don't need to leave them and go to work with people I don't respect. And I really respect Siddharth, our director, and I respect him because we don't know each other at all. We are not friends, we've never met before. But right from the first call, the care, the respect I felt, I was very grateful for that. There was no talking down, even though you had actors and stars like Sunny Deol and Akshay Khanna and Dia Mirza in a film. I was not made to feel like I was decoration, a middle class decoration, which I usually get cast for. It was a woman, a strong woman, and so that was another powerful reason to do it. And I think the third was that I have not done a film of this kind of grammar and this kind of pace, and my husband really told me, if you want this marriage to last long, please stop taking yourself so seriously and please do some comedy. So for his sake, I wanted to do something with comedy, which was not this film, but like action and thriller and high octane, and Ika satisfied that. So for the sake of my marriage, that's another reason. And of course the wonderful actors and my loyalty to Netflix. In many ways they bet on me when others didn't. Yeah.
Thank you, Tila. Thank you very much. Next,
Hi.
yes, ma'am.
Neetu Singh from Dainik Bhaskar. जी, पहले तो ट्रेलर बहुत कमाल है, आप सबको शुभकामनाएं। मोनिका, स्पेशली आपको कंग्रेचुलेट करना चाहूँगी बिकॉज 29 साल के बाद सिनेमा की जो 2 दिग्गज आप लेकर आई हैं स्क्रीन पर, उन्हें देखने के लिए हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं। तो सनी जी, सच में ट्रेलर बहुत कमाल है, आपकी टीम को पहले बधाई। और मेरा एक सवाल आपसे है, क्योंकि एक दामिनी को रिलीज़ हुए बहुत साल हो गए, आपने भी मंच पे कहा कि वकील का जो आपका किरदार है वो उसके बाद से आपने की नहीं है, मुझे लगता है 33 साल से ऊपर हो चुके हैं। उसके बाद दामिनी का वो लॉयर का किरदार इसमें हमें देखना तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। आपके लिए कितना अलग था, और जो आपके डायलॉग हैं 2.5 किलो का हाथ वो तिलोत्तमानी गए हैं, वो आपके लिए कितना कुछ अलग था, और आपने कुछ उनको टिप्स दिए इसके लिए, ये मैं जानना चाहूँगी आपसे। 2.5 किलो के हाथ को ये डायलॉग।
कहाँ क्या बोलूँ मैं, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, मुझे इतने सवाल हो गए कि मैं सवाल ही भूल गया। दामिनी जब मैंने की थी वो फिल्म, वो राज संतोषी था और हमारी पूरी टीम थी, मेरे दोस्त थे जो फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रहे थे, और उस वक्त मैं चाहता था कि मैं भी इस फिल्म में हूँ, और मेरा उसमें कोई रोल नहीं था, तो एक छोटा सा कैरेक्टर था उनके हिसाब से, तो उन्होंने कहा तुम करोगे, मैंने ज़रूर, मेरे को आई वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म। लेकिन कभी ये अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि वो फिल्म इस तरह से होगी और मेरा कैरेक्टर ऐसे बन जाएगा, लोगों को दिल में बैठ जाएगा, मुझे कुछ उसका अंदाज़ा नहीं था। और इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ आई एन्जॉय डूइंग फिल्म्स इज बिकॉज आई वांट टू डू द कैरेक्टर्स एंड आई डू नॉट नो हाउ फार आई विल रीच और वोंट, बट उसकी जर्नी इतनी खूबसूरत होती है कि दैट इज़ माई हाई। और दामिनी ने आप सबको उस फिल्म का फ़ैन बना दिया, और बट उसके बाद मुझे हमें मौका नहीं मिला फिर से कुछ इस तरह का कैरेक्टर, इस तरह का कोई रोल आए। और जब सिद्धार्थ ने मुझे ये कहानी सुनाई तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, और अगेन वक्त लगता है कि पता नहीं कब कौन सी फिल्म बनती है, ज़माना बदलता रहता है, और अचानक नेटफ्लिक्स आई, उन्होंने कहा हम ये बनाना चाहते हैं ना, उससे। और रही बात 2.5 किलो के हाथ की, आई थिंक जब हम ये डायलॉग की बात कर रहे थे, मैं बोला आई मीन it plays to the gallery definitely, but it is something which you're going to do it, and she did it beautifully. Yeah, it is her own because she said it.
Hello Dia, hi, Jaya here from Galata, India. Hi, so in Ikka we see that there is an emotional journey as well, you know, of the family, not just the courtroom drama. I really want to ask you as a mother, did that hit you differently?
So it's a character that anchors the story, and it's always really, really interesting to play a part that anchors the heart of the story, and it can go in any direction actually. But it was wonderful. I really enjoyed every moment. It was tough because there was a lot of raw emotion. There were lots of, I mean, the octave of many of the scenes is pretty high in terms of just feeling the moment. I think for me, some of the most special moments are the silences that I share with my daughter and I share with my husband. And I really, really enjoyed that scene with Akshay Khanna. It was so much fun. Yeah, I really missed out on doing a scene with Tilly. Yeah, I was like, Sidhu, कोई flashback का scene नहीं हो सकता है, we could, you know, have.
But she's not just a mother in the film. She
No,
has
she's a
much
lawyer.
more.
She's an
She's an
ex-lawyer.
ex-lawyer. She's an
She's a
ex-lawyer.
thinking partner. She's a very, you know, she's a woman who's made her choices, and they're very, and many of her choices have been difficult, as is common for most women. So I feel like a lot of her lived realities are truths that we all share as women, and yeah, it's always nice to be able to play parts that are honest. Thank you.
Hi, Dia. Here.
Just a second, please.
Hi. Here. Hi, Hamid here. Just want to ask you, जो यहाँ पर सब लोग बात कर रहे हैं, everybody is saying दिया ने जो ट्रेलर में वो अक्षय को दिया है, everybody is talking about it. I just want to know that how are you actually feeling, क्योंकि अब यहाँ से बाहर निकलने के बाद everybody is going to talk about it.
I don't know if everybody is going to talk about it. I'm actually more worried about how I'm going to get, like, am I going to be in trouble?
because I'm very scared. His fan following is so incredible. But
Why
when
are
you
so,
see
why
the
are you
scene,
so worried?
Why?
You're playing my wife in this
I know
film.
now.
Ek number!
You shouldn't talk like that.
I have queued this line 3
No.
times waiting for you to say this. I don't know why it took so long.
True, I was waiting. When is he going to say this? Woman, you don't have to worry.
Exactly. And that's really the answer. That it's so interesting how fiction and reality interweave and just kind of coexist, and it's a very beautiful thing. So in that moment, I felt extraordinary awe, but I also felt extremely powerful. And it's a very, very beautifully written scene. It's a very sensitively written scene. It's again a scene with a lot of layers and nuance. And yeah, when you watch the film, call me. I'd love to know what you thought about that scene, okay?
सनी सर, हाय, दिस इज उपमा फ्रॉम नवभारत टाइम्स. मैं ये कहना चाहिए कि आप खुद जो हमारा बॉलीवुड है, जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, उसका भी इक्का है. आप भी और इवन बॉबी सर भी. आपके बहुत सारे यंग फैंस यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि उनके लिए अगर आप कुछ ये बताने के चाहें कि जब आपका वक्त नहीं चलता है तब भी खुद पर वो भरोसा रखना कि आपका सिक्का एक दिन जरूर चलेगा. क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, वक्त तो हमेशा चलता है, कभी रुकता नहीं है.
जी बिल्कुल.
बस कभी कभी आप सो रहे होते हो, कभी आप जाग जाते हो, और फैंस वेट कर रहे हैं कि कभी वो उठेगा ताकि हम फिर से शोर मचाएं. बहुत प्यार करते हैं सब लोग, ढेर सारा प्यार.
Sunny sir, this is Simran Singh from G. The थोड़े left है. And सबसे पहले congratulations to everyone. Trailer looks really fantastic. सनी सर, मेरा आपसे एक सवाल है. जिस तरीके से we love the turnaround with Jat and Border 2 and Gadar 2 everything. Similar, जैसे आपको इतना प्यार मिला वैसे अक्षय खन्ना को भी इतना प्यार मिला है, and आप इतने साल बाद आ रहे 29 years later. How do you look upon to his trajectory as well? Because now everywhere he is everywhere.
क्या बोल रहे हैं? मैं लास्ट
जिस तरह ਤੁਸੀਂ इतना मतलब ਕੀਤਾ है Border 2 Jat है सारा, उस तरह अक्षय खन्ना का जो turn around होया with Dhurandhar. What do you want to say about it, to his trajectory? And you're coming after 29 years. His career has taken to a new heights.
I think it was high time. It was just जैसे मैं पहला भी कह रहा था कि वक्त का कुछ पता नहीं, आपको काम करते रहना चाहिए. Never give up, just keep doing it, and I think that's what Akshay was doing. And when the time has come, and he's now flying high, and he deserves it much more. And I'm so happy for him because ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਕੱਠਿਆਂ ਨੇ border ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ, and that was the first time he was working with me. Neha Siga. We had a great equation over there because he was Vinod Ji's son, and hun fir to mile after so many years. Actually, I have not met him before that. Just imagine the gap we had.
29 years.
And it was so lovely. It just felt like going back to the earlier days. And he's a lovely guy.
Thank you, Baji.
If you don't say the love and respect from his side to Sunny sir is always there, always there.
Thank you, Baji. Love you.
सत श्री अकाल भाजी, मेरा नाम आरजे अभिषेक फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़. सत श्री अकाल भाजी, गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. भाजी आपसे पूछना था कि एक पंजाब के लड़के का सिक्का पूरे बॉलीवुड पे चल चुका है. अब ये पंजाब का सिक्का पंजाबी सिनेमा के लिए क्या करेगा एज एन एक्टर और एज अ प्रोड्यूसर इन द फ्यूचर?
देखो, जब मेरी गदर फिल्म आई थी ना, लोग कह रहे थे ये पंजाबी फिल्म है, इसको डब करो.
ट्रू.
उसको कोई खरीद भी नहीं रहा था, तो पंजाबी फिल्म है, ये कौन देखेगा? तो आई थिंक बेसिकली फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट वी ऑल आर इंडियंस, एंड डेफिनेटली मैं पंजाब दा हैगा, तो पंजाबी मेरा हर किने कैरेक्टर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਨਾਲੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹਰ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰਾ ਭਰਾ ਹੈ. बहुत प्यार मिलता है.
थैंक यू सो मच बाजी. एंड वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर तिलोत्मा. हाय तिलोत्मा. तिलोत्मा, जब भी कोर्टरूम ड्रामा होता है बॉलीवुड की तरफ से या ग्लोबल सिनेमा की तरफ से, तो बहुत सारी इंस्पिरेशन देखने को मिलती है फ्रॉम ग्लोबल सिनेमा और फ्रॉम द बॉलीवुड. आपकी नज़र में कौन ऐसा इंस्पायरिंग कैरेक्टर है फ्रॉम एनी कोर्टरूम ड्रामा अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड?
You know, there are many courtroom dramas, 12 Angry Men, a film that I love, and there are many like that. But
I don't like to watch another film as a reference or an inspiration for a film I'm doing, because then you start wanting to imitate. And because we are human beings, our brains are like sponge, na? Like आप एक sponge को पानी में रखोगे वो तो पानी खींच ही लेगा. So I prefer not watching. And for this film, the inspiration was the script, my director, my co-actors. But I love the genre of courtroom drama, and I think, yeah.
Thank you.